What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check if someone is spying on your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, there are multiple ways to check for suspicious activity. The first thing to look out for is the indicator dots at the top of your screen. On iPhone and Android, a small orange dot indicates that your microphone is in use, while a green dot means that your camera or both your camera and microphone are being used. If you see either of these dots appear while you're not on a call, FaceTime, or using any apps that require these permissions, it could be a sign that someone is spying on you. Next, let's check for call forwarding. Open your phone app, go to the keypad and type *#21#, then press the call button. This will display your call forwarding status. If it says disabled for settings like voice call forwarding, data call forwarding, or fax call forwarding, that's a good sign. However, if any of these say enabled, and you didn't turn them on, it might mean that someone has set up call forwarding to spy on your calls. Now, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to the Apps section. From here, tap on the phone app and check calls on other devices. If you see a device listed that you don't recognize, your calls might be forwarded to that device. Toggle this option off to prevent unauthorized forwarding. While in the phone settings, also check call forwarding. If this option is enabled, but you didn't activate it, make sure to turn it off immediately. Let's move on to Messages. Still in the Settings app, tap on Apps and then select Messages. Look for text message forwarding. If there's an unknown device listed, disable forwarding to prevent someone from receiving copies of your text messages. This ensures that only your device receives your texts. Now, let's check location services. In your settings, scroll to Privacy and Security and tap on Location Services at the top. You will see a list of apps with their location permissions. Look for apps with a small arrow next to them. This indicates the app has recently accessed your location. If you notice an app you haven't used recently or you don't recognize, tap on it and change its location access to Never. This prevents the app from tracking your location. Next, go to Battery Usage in Settings. This will show you which apps are using most of your battery power in the last 24 or 48 hours. If you see an app using a lot of battery that you haven't used recently or you don't recognize, it could be a spyware app running in the background. If this happens, consider deleting the suspicious app entirely. Finally, check for unknown devices linked to your account. In your settings, tap on your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Scroll down to see a list of devices logged into your iCloud account. If you see a device that doesn't belong to you, tap on it and select Remove from Account. This will disconnect the unauthorized device and stop it from accessing your iCloud data, location, or personal information. And that's it. These steps should help you identify and stop any suspicious activity on your phone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.